Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 21st of December 2022. Pretty quiet markets across the board so far today, so I'm afraid this is going to be a pretty short, sharp and sweet market brief for cryptos because I don't have too much to add. It feels like the excitement from yesterday's Bank of Japan surprise to markets is, well, markets maybe having a bit of a hangover, I think is the way I put it inside the chat room earlier on today. As you can see, Bitcoin here absolutely flat. I think today's trading range has been no more than, it's been less than 200 points, which on BTC is very much below its usual daily ranges, its usual volatility. So very much quiet markets out here. Ethereum, as you can see, just boxing up a little bit on the H4 time frame. Of course, that could suggest we've got a breakout pending, but we've got to wait to see which way that breaks first, and more sideways trade could be seen between 1220 and 1200 before we see that break. Litecoin, same story, as you can see, completely flat trading range there, and Ripple as well, just holding on to the 0.3345 handle for now. In terms of news, I haven't seen anything major which has come across my desk. I'll just double check my crypto feed here to see if I've got anything else that I can update you on. I don't think it's going to be the case. Just checking here, yesterday BlockFi, they'd asked the US court to let customers withdraw digital assets from their wallets on the platform. The company stated it had no legal or equitable interest in customer funds that were frozen a month before it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection late last month. One of Sam Bankman-Fried's largest venture capital bets, Modular Capital, was founded by 3 former Jane Street employees, a prop trading firm where SBF actually worked before founding Alameda Research. In addition to $400 million in financing, the secret firm Modular had an office in the same Bahamas building as FTX. So this is just more unwinding of the FTX saga. But I think that's pretty much it. Nothing market moving. As soon as there is, or as soon as you see any breakouts to these pretty thin trading ranges today, not expecting much. We've got no news coming out of the US session either, but I'll keep you all posted from there. Till next time, all the best with your trading and bye for now.